my first ever custom PC and I'm pretty excited about it. And this is the H510 Elite and it's got some cool RGB lights on it. So I spent about $2,100 on this one, and it also comes with Microsoft Office, and all this motherboard is all inside, and all the components I'll put all the links down in the description below if you want to check it out. So yeah, let's unbox this thing. So I'm pretty excited to get this custom PC because I've been waiting for 1 month plus, and this is actually a reward that I give to myself for reaching a certain milestone on TikTok. This scissors is a makeup scissors, so it took quite some time, but we managed to open it. So this is the first thing that you get, which is the certificate of ownership. And now let's do some unboxing ASMR. So inside the motherboard box, we have some extra cables, just in case I want to customize my PC further. And later we're gonna install this antenna onto the custom PC. And of course you have some more extra cables, and then you have an audio cable, which I'm gonna use in the future, hopefully. For those who wanna know the specs, you can pause and read this yourself. Okay, I'm not going to go into detail because it is a mouthful if I go through it one by one. So this custom PC is properly checked and handmade, and you have a couple of ports on top, USB, USB-C, and also an audio port. And on the motherboard you have a lot more ports, USB ports, VGA ports, HDMI ports, and USB-C ports. More than enough for me. Okay, moment of truth guys, let's plug it in. So for the cable, I went with the braided cable sleeves set, so I chose the black and green, of course with this RGB fan. And also I went with the nzxt hue cable comb, which gives it also like a Christmassy look if I change the lighting settings later on. Okay, I'll show you later. So I'm pretty happy with the overall build, but right now I'm just gonna customize my custom PC a little bit more. So I'm just gonna add some RGB lights real quick, and I bought this I think 2 months ago. Now I've seen some people use these shelf lights, but the downside is that you gotta put in so many different types of batteries and it runs out very fast. So if you wanna be crazy, make sure you have some extra batteries inside your drawer. Okay, so let's put one of these lights right here and we'll see how it goes later on. Okay, now the most important thing that we all need is Wi-Fi, so we're gonna set that up right now, okay? So we gotta plug in the Wi-Fi antenna, alright, before we change the RGB lighting. There are many different settings you can pick. If you pick the rainbow pulse RGB lighting, it looks something like this. So let's try another mode, rainbow flow, and see how it looks like. I guess it's kind of lit, but to those who wanna ask, do you need this to become a trader? No, you don't need, okay? It's just me, just in case some people are like, you don't need a custom PC to become a trader. Keep your opinion to yourself. So I guess the custom lights make everything a lot brighter, because before that I felt like didn't add enough, so I added some RGB lights on top and also some RGB lights at the bottom to make the whole thing light up. So you can play around with the colors to suit your overall theme and overall style and vibe. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anybody, so if you want to get a custom PC to hype up your trading desk, then feel free to do it. If you don't want, you want to keep life simple, then keep life simple, don't get it, okay? So with that, talk to you in the next video. Bye.